hina-half fry ko itong ladyfinger o kaya okra, bamya sa Arabic. Ang tawag naman dito ay bindya. So hina-half fry ko ito para madali na lang maluto. Pero inuna ko itong patatas, yan half fry din ito. Imimix ko dito sa okra. Kasi kulang ito, for lunch ito na ulam namin at saka dinner na din. And then dito din ako nagluluto sa labas kasi maganda ang panahon. Ayan, maganda ang weather. So dito ako nagluluto sa labas. Pagkatapos ma-fry ito, maggigisa na ako ng bawang sibuyas, kamatis, then lagyan ko na ng mga powder, yung masala, yung chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. Wala namang ano dito, bitsin o kaya magic sarap, kaya yun lang ang asin na pang timpla. Pero masarap naman kahit walang magic sarap o kaya bitsin, China salt. Ayos na. Ayan, half fry na ito, kaya tanggalin ko na ito dito. And then ilagay ko na din dito sa kung saan ako nag-fry ng patatas. Ayan, para maggisa na ako ng bawang sibuyas, kamatis. Para makahabol sa aming lunch. Ayan, pero ano pa naman, 12 noon pa lang naman. Ayan, naggisa na ako ng sibuyas. Inuna ko itong sibuyas, pero ilagay ko na din maya-maya konti ang bawang. So, kung saan ako nag-half fry ng potato at saka okra, ay dito din ako naggisa ng sibuyas. Ayan, ito yung half fry na potato and then ladyfinger. Now we can put now this garlic. If you listen the sounds, that is what you call this, machine or chainsaw for cutting wood. My husband is there in jungle for cutting wood. Over there, over there, over there. Yan. You listen the sounds. Ayun. Asawa ko yan, nagkakat dyan. Then he go up in that tree for these pine trees. Now he's preparing again wood for coming winter. And also this spring. Spring is over. So spring is over. So tomorrow is what you call this, summer. Kasi bukas ay May 1. Spring is over, but even summer here, there is still weather is okay or weather is good. So my husband over there up cutting these pine trees for preparing for wood for winter, autumn, winter. 4 seasons we are using these woods. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now onions is already brown. Now we have to put now these tomatoes, slices of tomatoes, green chilies, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Ayan. Before 1 o'clock must be, this already ready because I'm going to cook chapati inside kitchen. I'm going to cook in stove, not here, because only here I'm cooking viand and rice. So for chapati and tea, I cook in stove or what you call this, yes, in stove, in gas. I can cook also chapati here, but it's hard But no problem, I can make here also chapati, but it's no problem. I cook inside the kitchen. I'm planning to cook rice, white rice here, but someone give us, our relatives, our neighbor up, because they have too much extra for white rice. So alhamdulillah, someone give. So no need to cook for me rice. And what I have to cook only is chapati inside. And they give also this mungani dal. Mungani means this mungo, dal means beans, so mungo beans. So they have extra. That's why they give us here, because they know that I like rice. I like to eat white rice than chapati. Because last night I think they cook biryani, so they said they cannot eat this one, white rice and mungo beans. So instead of throwing, they give us here. Now this tomatoes is already paste now, so we can put now this half fry potato, and this okra after this one, after I will put here. Now next we can put now also this half fry ladyfinger or okra, because this potato is already half fry also. So we can put now this okra. This white rice and what you call this, mungo dal or mungani dal. This one they give from up, our relative up. Ayan. This is my menu for today. This is okra, ladyfinger with potatoes. And this is already cooked. So make slow fire so that it will not become burned. So our bayan for lunch and also for dinner is ready. Now I'm cooking here in outside using this wood. Sino makarelate nito na gumagamit ng kahoy? Ayan, taga-probinsya lang and taga-village lang ang pwedeng magluto dito, yung mga hindi yung mga hindi maarte. Pero yung mga maarte ay sa stove, gasol sila magluluto. Start now making chapati because 15 minutes more, 1 p.m. Pakistan time. Must be before 1 p.m. I already cooked chapati for my husband, for Langga, for Fahad, and also we have one neighbor. Because my husband is hungry, they are hungry, so that's why I'm cooking now. And this one I have to cook. I will cook only 12 pieces roti or chapati. You have to change side so that it will not become burned. Cooking or making chapati, kubos, or roti for our lunch. And this is already last. And this one I already cooked 11 pieces roti, so this is 12 pieces. So this is last. You have to change side all the time so that it will not become burned. So this is the way I cook chapati, kubos, or roti. 12 or 13 pieces I made chapati because me and Fatma, we will eat white rice, the one who give their up. And only my husband, Langga, Fahad, and one neighbor, they will eat this chapati.